Hey everybody, this is Deb with Truthification Chronicles, and I wanted to remind you that tonight, Friday night at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, I'm going to have another video come out as a premiere, and that means that it's going to come out with a live chat going on, and I'm going to be there in the live chat. So come in and chat with me and all the other people. Just come hang out with us for a little while, and we'll all watch the video together, and you can ask me questions if you want to. And it's the best I can do until I can live stream. And I do have a special announcement that I'm going to make during the live chat. So come on in and we'll all hang out together and spend our Friday night just chatting up about different things. So I want to thank you for stopping by, and I'll see y'all tonight at 9 o'clock Eastern.